Alright guys, welcome to a little farmyard tour with Annabelle. Say hi. No? Okay. What that? What's that?
Moon.
Moon. It's a cow.
Cow.
Cow. Yeah. What that?
Cow.
What that?
Cow.
What that?
Cow.
What that?
Cow.
Good girl.
Cow.
What that?
Chitta.
Tractor. What that?
Chitta.
Ha 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 ha. What that?
Chitta.
Yeah. Ooh, what that?
Chitta.
Yeah. What's that?
Tricky.
What's that?
Tricky.
What's that?
Tricky.
What's that?
Chitta.
What's that?
Tricky.
What's that?
Trash. Car.
Good girl. What's that?
Qua. Qua.
Car. Haha. Good girl. Last but not least, go on, Shorty. What's that?
Bear.
Bear. What's that?
Sheep.
Sheeps. What's that?
Sheep.
What's that?
Sheep.
Alright, good girl, good girl. What's that?
Chitta.
What that?
Chitta.
Yeah. Who says you can't teach farm, Kim? Who says games are education, like? Farm soon rocks. Catch you next time, guys. Later.